Hello, good morning to all. I am Nikrit Fatima from GG College, Nizamabad. Today we are going to learn about styles of communication. We will see how many styles of communication are there. We will examine communication skills. In particular, the four major styles of communication are there. They are assertive, aggressive, passive aggressive, and passive. We will see what is assertive style. What is assertive style of communication? A style of communication where you clearly state your point of view and push for what you want while being respectful of others. What is assertive style of communication? Where you clearly state your point of view and push for what you want while being respectful of others. This is assertive style of communication. Now we will go for aggressive style of communication. We will see what is it. What it is. Aggressive style of communication is nothing but unlike assertive communication. This is a style where you push for what you want without considering the thoughts and feelings of others. This can be an especially harmful form of communication in a professional environment and should be avoided as much as possible. What it is? It is nothing but where you push for what you want without considering the thoughts and feelings of others. So, especially this is harmful form of communication in a professional environment, and it should be avoided as much as possible. Now we will go for passive aggressive. Passive aggressive is a style or indirect communication where a person does not confront a problem head on but rather builds up resentment and speaks negatively about someone or something behind people's backs. This too is a form of communication to be avoided, as it is best to keep an open line of communication. This is nothing but passive aggressive. Backbite. It is nothing but backbite. Some people talks negatively about someone behind people's back. It is also a form of communication to be avoided. And another type is passive. We will see what it is. This is a form of communication where the person stifles their thoughts and opinions, choosing not to express themselves. They do not confront or tackle issues. Avoid this form of communication, as passive speakers tend to suffer from not being able to get their point of view across. In addition, the group or organization suffers from not processing their valuable feedback. So, this is all about styles of communication: assertive, aggressive, passive aggressive, and passive. These are types of communications. Thank you.